Hello, welcome back to LEGO Friends 2026. Liann's family house is revealed and it's not exactly as how I imagined it. I thought it was going to be like dark blue color, but the colors are much warmer than I expected and it's very good. So sadly, Victoria, which is Liann's little sister, is not included. I don't know why, but she isn't. But her mother, Michelle, is in this set. What's really cool is there's a skate park right next to her house. I'm not so sure if that's a public skate park or it actually belongs to her house. I mean to her family, but anyway, it looks really cool. And the street lamp right next to it, it looks exactly like the one that was in the community center. And it looks like she has a new gecko and her name is like Bubble or Bubbles. I can't see very well, but I think it's something like that. But anyway, I just can't wait to see the inside of this house. So far, the inside is not yet revealed, but I'm just so excited, you know? So let's zoom in a little bit, and as you can see, it's just so warm colors and it's just so nice. I love it so much. It's really super awesome. And you know, like Nova has some new outfits as well, and Paisley has new pants and she's going to wear those pants in this set and the bunny like garden set and the dream cafe unicorn dream cafe set. So she's really wearing that pants everywhere now. So at first I was excited, like Paisley has new pants and she's wearing it in a lot of sets. So yeah, so it's probably not going to be very special because she's wearing that everywhere, but I just can't wait to see the inside. I can't wait. It looks awesome. And it looks like in the pavement in front of their main door, the part that's close to the skate park, it's colorful colors. So I guess they painted it and it's so cool. And the roof is like not actually the roof, but the part that's next to the roof, like a little bit dome shaped part. It's transparent color. So I bet Liann's like room is going to be in the second floor and she can actually like see the stars or the rain or something like that, and that'll be so cool. So yeah, it's so like warm and I can't wait to see it in the animation as well, because you know Lego sets, they're in the animation but the Legos look better than the ones in the animation. But anyway, it's really awesome. So this is the end of the video and see you next time. Bye bye.